avatar is the fifth incarnation of Lord Vishnu. Vamana is the Brahmin and was the first proper human avatar of Lord Vishnu. As per the Hindu Puranas, the Vamana avatar took back three worlds known as Triloka from the Asura king Bali in 3 steps to hand them over to Lord Indra. Vamana means dwarf, small or short in size. Vamana was born to great sage Kashyapa and his wife Aditi. Vamana avatar is also known by various names including Bali Bandhana, the one who fettered the demon Bali, Trivikrama, 3 steps or 3 strides, Upendra, younger brother of Indra, Urukrama, wide stride, as Vamana avatar covered all existence with the 2nd step. Vamana Deva, dwarf god. Story of Vamana avatar. The Vamana avatar of Lord Vishnu obliterated the Daitya Raj Bali. Bali was powerful, also virtuous and truthful. Bali was the grandson of Prahalada and the son of Virochana. Virochana defeated Indra and became the king of 3 worlds. After the churning of the ocean, Samudra Mantana, the gods became immortal and powerful as they got hold of the Amrit. Indra defeated the Asuras and killed the Daityaraj king Virochana. Virochana's young son Bali then approached Shukracharya, the guru of Asuras. He asked Shukracharya how he can regain all his power and kingdom. So, Shukracharya advised him to perform the Mahabhishek Vishwajit Yajna to get back all the power and kingdom from Indra. Bali agreed to perform the Yajna under the supervision of his guru Shukracharya. After Bali performed the Yajna, he received a golden chariot that was pulled by 4 horses and ran at the wind speed. He also attained a temple with numerous arrows, a flag post with a lion's head, plus a celestial armor. Along with these things, Bali also got a garland of ever-blooming flowers and a conch shell with thunderous sound from his guru Shukracharya. Bali proceeded to battle against Indra. Daityaraj Bali defeated Indra in the battle. Indra had to run away from the battlefield to save his life. Bali sought Shukracharya's advice so that he can maintain his victorious position against Indra. Shukracharya told Bali that he had to keep performing the Yajna if he wanted to maintain his winning position against Indra and live a fearless and powerful life. He should also give alms to the poor and the Brahmins. Bali gladly agreed to keep the words of Shukracharya so that he can maintain his victorious position. Meanwhile, Indra approached Guru Brihaspati to advise how he can regain his lost kingdom from Bali. Acharya Brihaspati told Indra that he should seek Lord Vishnu's help. So Indra performed immense penance to please Lord Vishnu. Indra's mother Aditi, wife of Kashyapa, approached Lord Vishnu for help. When he saw his son in trouble, Lord Vishnu said, Devamata, I will help you. I will take birth in the form of your son in future and help your son Indra to get back his kingdom from Bali. After some time, Aditi gave birth to a boy and named him Vamana, as he was a dwarf. One day, Vamana went to the spot where Daityaraja Bali and Shukracharya performed the Yajna. Bali welcomed the Brahmin boy, Vamana. Bali said, How can I help you, young Brahmin? Vamana said, I have heard that you give alms to Brahmins. I do not want any luxuries or wealth. I only need the land that my 3 steps can cover. All Asuras laughed at Vamana's request. However, Daityaraj Bali agreed to grant the boy what he wanted. Shukracharya warned Bali that the boy was not an ordinary Brahmin. He was Lord Vishnu in the disguise of a Brahmin boy. However, Bali kept his promise given to the Brahmin boy Vamana. Soon, to everyone's surprise, the boy started to grow in size. He became more massive than the planet Earth itself. In the first step, he climbed the earth. In second step, heaven, which was under Bali's control. Then the Vamana said, Bali, where should I keep my third step? I have already possessed earth and heaven. Now there is no place left. Shukracharya warned Bali, the boy was Lord Vishnu himself, so don't allow him to take the third step, else you will lose all that you have with you. Bali replied, Acharya, I have given him my word, so I can't go back from it. The Asuras heard this and stepped forward to attack Vamana, but they could not harm him at all. Now Bali addressed Vamana and said, As there is nothing left, you can keep your third step on my head. On hearing Bali's word, Lord Vishnu appeared in his true form. He blessed Bali, saying, From now on, Bali, you will rule Patal-lok forever. So Bali went away to Patal-lok. Indra regained his lost kingdom due to Lord Vishnu's Vamana avatar. Om Bhagavate Vamana Rupaya Namaha. If you like the video, give thumbs up and subscribe to Divine World. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.